Welcome to day 3 again. Take a breath. Today's going to be a chill day. The hard part, the digging, the research, the brainstorming was done on day 2. You've built your master list of conditions. You've identified your primaries, your secondaries, and your PACT claims. You did the heavy lifting. Today, we do the easy part. We'll be actually filling out the VA disability form, the official VA form 21-526EZ. This is the form that gets you paid. Now, I'm making this simple as possible for you. With this lesson, I'm giving you the direct download link on the form as well as the PDF form itself, and I also include the step-by-step instructions how to fill this out. You have options. You can download it and type it directly into the fields on your computer, or you can do it the old school way, print it out and fill it out with a pen. All you need to have ready for this lesson is your completed brainstorming worksheet from day 2, the one where we researched all your conditions using AI and documented everything. Be sure to have the worksheet fully finished and ready to go, as we'll copy the conditions from our worksheet onto the official VA claims form today. That's it, seriously. It's a simple monkey see, monkey do operation. I'll walk you through the form section by section, box by box. You'll follow along with me. No guesswork, no confusion. Are you ready? Grab your worksheet, open up that form, and let's get you that one step closer to getting paid, okay? Let's do this.